Hey everybody, this is a quick video on how to add a title screen onto your movie clips, as well as adding titles over top of clips, which you're going to need to do for identifying each of the techniques that each clip represents. And I'm also going to quickly show you how to put transitions between the clips. Okay, so first things first, let's put a title slide at the beginning. So you want to click on titles at the top. Most of you will likely be started here at My Media. Go to titles at the top here, and you're going to find one of the titles that basically has the title in the middle. Okay, you're not going to want to do one of these lower ones because those are ones that you would use to put on top of a clip. For the title screen at the very beginning of your video, you are going to have a screen by itself. So pick one of the ones that have it at the beginning. Let's say I'll choose a simple one here. You're going to go and put it right down at the beginning. Don't put it on top, okay, because we don't want this one to be overlaying the video clip. We want it to be a title screen at the beginning of the video. So put it in front. Go ahead and give it a name. So this was our practice video. Practice video. You can also call it film techniques, whatever. Okay, as long as the title is what your video is about. And you should put your first names only. So first name of each person. So, and if there was someone else, then I would do a comma, first name of the other person. Okay, so then list the first names of the people who did the video. You can put your class if you want. It doesn't really matter to me as long as you have your first names on there. Okay, and then you can hit the check up here if you want to change the font. You can go and change that. You can change the size, change the color. You can go ahead and play around with that. But once you're happy with it, hit the check mark, and you've got yourself a title slide. You can decide how long that title slide stays up. When you click on the clip, once it's yellow, you can drag it to be a long title slide or short. Okay, just make sure it's up long enough that people can read it. Okay, so that's how you do title slide. Now you also need to add titles onto each of your clips that identify what technique was used in that clip. So go ahead and pick one of these titles that would be going over top of your clip. So really doesn't matter which one you pick. I'll pick this one. And now you're going to put it over top of the clip that you would like to put a title onto. So let's say this was a mid shot. Then you would type in mid shot. And you don't really need that part, so you can delete it. And just like before, you can change the titles and stuff, the font size and color there. Okay. And lastly, we're going to show you how to do transitions. Flip over to the transitions button up here. All you need to do is pick one, put it in between. That's as simple as that. If you want to change it, grab another one, put it in between. Make sure you put a variety of transitions within your video so that it's interesting.